Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about fire alarms and code compliance. Thank you.
So what a lot of people don't know is that fire alarms can get you in trouble. Either if you don't put it in or if you don't maintain it. Some people say, oh, it's not a big deal. They know about us. It will be fine. Well, no. What happens is people leave. Fire marshals quit. Inspectors quit. Now you have to deal with a whole new person who has a new set of books. They're so eager to enforce them. They got this badge and they can shut you down. And so one of the things that we do is we make sure that you're code compliant and you don't spend too much money and you don't just kowtow to the fire inspectors and the fire marshals for what they need. We make sure you're adherent to code. No more, no less. Don't let them push you around, and don't think that you're safe just because you're grandfathered in, because Grandpa died in '93. I'm Chris with Millennium. Give me a call.
Visit today www.millennium-fire.com or call 407-974-7895. Millennium Fire and Security, your safety and security is our business.